Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 9A, and today I want to show you how to turn on or off auto rotation. Open tab menu, and if you see that icon, which is auto rotate icon, is blue, that means it's turned off. You can turn it on by tapping on it. If you want to check it out, go into any app and turn your screen. To turn it off, go into tab menu again and click on the same icon. You can also go into settings, scroll down, choose display, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!